Hello and welcome to Drupal tutorials. In this session, we are going to discuss about the Drupal front page. In this chapter, let us study about how to create a front page in Drupal. If you have a good content on your website and expect your visitor to see that particular content first, then the article must be on the front page. Here, Drupal provides solution for this. Let's have a look at that. To manage the front page of your Drupal website, log into your backend with the admin username and your password and click on Content. Then you will see the list of articles and pages on screen. But we can't see any articles or pages here because we haven't created any. So to create an article or a page, click Add Content. That will give you like if you want to add article or a basic page. Click on Article. The article name is like it will take you to the options where you can create article. Then we need to name the article. Name it my first article. And tags. Forget about the tags. I will explain you about the tags later. And in body, I'm going to paste some dummy like this. And this text means nothing. And if you want to update any image, you can just choose file here. And yeah, let's try to apply an image here. Desktop, new folder, HTML. I guess I have some images here. Yes, I'm updating a smiley. Right. And then upload it. Yes. So it got uploaded. You will get the preview there. And if you want, you can provide a menu link here. Or yeah, it's not necessary right now, and because I will tell you about the menu link later. And save. So you can see your article posted here. And content, add content. Now we create a basic page. And title of the page is first page, and in body we will put some dummy text. I'll go down. Yeah, text format is we're going to filter this format, and if you want you can provide the menu link and save. Yeah, the first page is also saved now. Now go to the content, and then you can see your first article and first page here. Now let us edit our basic page first. Click on edit, and scroll it down and go to the publishing options. Here you can see like three options. It is published, and we have two more options: promoted to the front page, sticky at the top of the list. And check the all boxes here. So you can see some changes here: published, promoted to the front page, sticky at the top of the list. All the three options here got checked. So what is published? It publishes your page or article by marking the checkbox. When you mark it, it's going to publish it. And the promote to the front page option, promote your page or article to the front page of your website. And sticky at the top of list fixes your page at the top of list of your website. Click the save button here. And you can see the basic page, first page has been updated. And you close this and let your page to refresh, and you can see your first page is updated on the front page in the home button. Let's do the same with the article here, content, and here we have a first page, basic page we edited. First, let's try with the same with the article. Edit and go down, go to the publishing options, and it already has an option because it's an article. It should be promoted to the front page. Stick it to the top of the list, and menu setting, provide a menu link. Now we are giving this. Not right now. And we are saving this. And article has been updated. And you should select the provide menu link here under the edit, because then only this will appear in the menu bar. We just click this to put this in the menu bar, and when you save it and close it, let your site update, and your first article is appearing in the menu, and we have a smiley there and some dummy text. So this is very simple. This is how we update our front page. This is the way to organize the front page. And our next topic for the day is static page. What is a static page? In this topic, we will study about how to create a static page in Drupal. Let's add some static pages named about us and services. The main purpose of using a static page is speed and steadiness. Static websites are more faster than a dynamic site. To create a static page, you need to go to the top bar and click on content. And then that will give you an option so that you can add content to your web page. So then that leads to two options. One is an article and the other one is a basic page. Then select the basic page. So you get option to create a basic page and name the basic page about us. Okay. And in the body, put some dummy text. And scroll down and go to URL path settings. Here you can specify the alternate URL by which the content can be accessed, because you should not add any slashes before or after the URL. So let us say about us. Then you can see an alias name here about us. Then go to the publishing options and check whether the published checkbox is checked or not. It should be checked so that your page will be published. And remember to save it. So your page is saved, but you can't see that page on the menu bar. Why? Because it's not linked to the menu here, but it is showing here in the front page because we link this to front page. What if you want to put this page in the menu bar? Just go to the content and this about us page, you go and edit this and come down here in the menu setting. You check this option, provide a menu link, and parent item, where do you want to place it? Like if you want to put this in the home button or first article or main menu, just select the main menu. So this about us page will display along with the home, first article, and then main menu. So remember to select the main menu here and remember to check this button and save. When you save it, and you can see the home button, like here in home button we have like these two articles, and here we have and about us, and we have about us page, and the dummy text is here. And let's create a one more static page. Like say that we're gonna create a page like add content, a basic page called services, and put some dummy text. I don't need to put the dummy text. I'm using the dummy text. You put your content there and then provide a menu link and make sure that it will show up in the main menu, and URL path settings, say services. You can see the alias name here, and publishing option, make sure that it's selected like published. Menu set to make sure that it's provide a link, a menu link, and go down, save. See, we have the services option here. So this is how we create the static page, and our next topic for the day is create a Drupal blog. In this creating a blog chapter, we will study about how to create blogs in Drupal. Basically, blog entries can be made public or private to this to the site members, depending on which role have access to view the. Okay, you will understand this better when you create a blog. Okay, let's create a blog now. To create a blog, go to the modules on your back end of the Drupal site, and you create a module. You'll get this option, and you go to the find where the blog exists. Like this is the blog. You check this option and scroll down all the way down and click on Save Configuration. So it may take some time. Yes, the configuration option have been saved. Okay, and click on content now, and then add content. And you got a new option here, like article basic page and blog entry. You just click on blog entry, and then give a title to the blog, say my blog, and put some content here, and go down, and here in the publishing option, make sure that published and promoted to the front page everything is checked, and click on save. That's it, we are done now. Blog entry, like my blog has been created. So you can see the blog here, and if you scroll it down, so when you write a blog, an article name, and when you type something on it, and then yes, you'll get an options like when somebody logs in, they'll get their username, and they can write the blogs. So we can write the blogs from here, and we can write like blog 2, save, yes, done. We have a blog 2 here in the comments. So it should not be a blog, but that's a comment section, but I mentioned it as a blog number. So no, fine. So we commented on the existing blog with the name blog. You can change it, you can edit this. Right, subject is my comment. Save. So here we commented the existing article in the blog. So this is how we create blog in Drupal. Quite simple, very easy. Okay, that's it for the day. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the session today. It's time to say bye, and see you in the next session.